Hi friends, my name is Sandhya Dimbar. Today's video topic is searching and sorting techniques. So we are discuss about in first what is our searching algorithms. The algorithm used in searching are known as searching algorithm. Searching is a process using which of the searches the described element present in a group of element. Various methods are used to searching, but the most popular ones of the binary search algorithm and linear search algorithm. Then next point is what are the sorting algorithms? The algorithm is used in sorting are known as sorting algorithms. Sorting refers to the operation in which we arrange the element present in a table into a sequential order that complies with the ordering criteria. Sorting is basically performed accordingly to the element key values on the basis of key structure. The element in a system can be sorted alphabetically, numerically, or even alphanumerically. For instance, the elements present in the numerical sorting are arranged in described order or ascending order according to the of these element numeric values. Then next point is a difference between searching and sorting element. First is a parameter basic in searching algorithm. Searching algorithm are used to look for the retrieve the element using the data structure from the data. And sorting algorithms helps arrange a list of data or an arrays of data into a particular order. And then next point is types in searching algorithms. The searching algorithm can be classified into two basic types. First is a interval search and second is a sequential search. Then sorting. The sorting algorithm can be classified into two basic types. First is a internal sorting and second is a external sorting. Then next point is a stable and unstable algorithms. In searching, no stable algorithm or unstable algorithm exist in searching. Sorting techniques. Some example of stable sorting algorithm are the merge sort, insertion sort, uh, bubble sort, etc. On the other hand, heap sort, quick sort, etc. are the some example of unstable sorting algorithms. Then next point is a worst case complexity of time. For the any searching algorithms, worst case complexity of a time O in bracket n. Then in sorting element, in case the sorting algorithm like a quick sort, selection sort, insertion sort, bubble sort, etc. The worst case complexity of the time is O in bracket n2. Then examples, uh, the binary search, binary search and linear search are most common example of searching algorithm. And a few points example of sorting algorithm are insertion sort, bubble sort, quick sort, merge sort, selection sort, etc. Then next is we are discussing about searching algorithm in brief. First is a linear search. Linear or sequential search is a simplest of the search algorithm, while the most certainly is the simplest, is definitely not a most common. Then next is a binary search. Binary or log- logrammatic logrammatic search is one of the most commonly used search algorithm, primarily due to it is a quick search time. Then next is a jump search. This search is similar to binary search, but instead jumping jumping both forward and backward. Then next point is interpolation search. Interpolation search is used to search element in a sorted array. Then next point is a exponential search. Exponential search is the used to search element by jumping an exponential position, that is the in powers of 2. Then next point is a sorting algorithm. Here are the five most popular sorting algorithm in Java. First is a merge sort, second is a heap sort, third is a insertion sort, fourth is a selection sort, and fifth is a bubble sort. First, it's all about the searching and sorting techniques in Java. Thank you.